Hey guys, welcome back to High Speed Mining. Today we're gonna be talking about Bitcoinz. That's gonna be the coin we're gonna be mining today, and this is gonna be a peculiar coin and not financing advice. Whatever you do on your own. And I'm gonna show you how to do this. Upload the regular intro, and I'll see you there. Alright guys, so here we are back, and this is gonna be what to mine, a regular place where we go and looking for stuff to mine, doing every day. God love this page. Alright, so here we are. This is the coin we're doing it. That's what we're gonna be doing it. And a block reward 24 hours is a 5,000 coin, and we're gonna choose a pool. I would love to choose whatever they say is the best pool to mine. We got one with 3.3, we got one for 13. I'm gonna choose two pools today. I'm gonna try to figure out which one is the easy one to get stuff. Also, I gotta get that wallet, and I think we can get that wallet out of ZELCORE wallet. Wow, yes, from over there we're gonna go. Or address. And I'm gonna pause the video, guys. Sorry, this was something I was doing it. It had nothing to do with this video. Alright. This is gonna be something else. We're gonna do is we're gonna go to this one right here. Zoom it open. Yeah, ZELCORE wallet. There is the most beautiful wallet you can find. Alright. So I'm gonna log in and coming back in a second. Okay. Alright guys, so we're back. Ready DPT. I already have the coin. I'm gonna close this, and this is the one we need. So it's gonna be a coin we're looking for 0.4. So it's almost about, it's going the same direction. BT Cash. So this is not ZELCORE. You got BT Bitcoinz. That's the one we got right now, and that's what we need. Now, first away is we're gonna need overseas address. So it's already created. We're gonna minimize the ZELCORE wallet. And I'm gonna go to the pool. Now we need to start mining. So first of all is we'll be asking us from USA. So that's what we need. Your wallet. For a million GPU, they recommend Gmine. I already got Gmine, and this is how they recommend everything is being done. Alright, so let's go to our Gmine. Got Gmine already. So we're gonna go to my miner program, and first is what we need right here. Okay, we're gonna copy this. We're gonna dump this right here, and we're gonna change all this. Alright, so first away is when the USA. This is so we're gonna use this over here. Okay, so then we go back over here. Service will be this one. Okay, gonna remove. We're gonna use a different type of configuration, and the port they like to use is 4102. Okay, 4102. This right here. Okay, magnet argo, and the next thing is gonna be a wallet. You know we're doing different stuff, so we're moving a different way. Okay, receiving. Alright, so we can just copy, go back over here, and right here. Okay, and then we're gonna paste our wallet over there. I'm gonna leaving this a ring name. User. Auto, school, Argo, mining. Alright, so now I need to find my G miner. Spend it right here. Actually, we have this one unpack right here. Oh, I don't have unpack my G miner. Well, that's weird. Alright, let's. Okay, so we got G miner over here. And I always like to open one of the edition to make sure I go to them. Okay, everything we need, so we're gonna make sure we put ES on the alright. Let's see. Right here say miner only, so we're gonna make sure we have this. Then we're gonna save it. And then we go for the miner. Then we're gonna put BAT, gonna hit enter, and gonna minimize this. Really got it right here. Yes, really got it. Let's see now if it's gonna work. It's opening. As it is. Connecting to the Echo Hub port 4042 failed, no connection could be made because the target machine is early refused. Alright, so we got a problem with the connection on the end. So what we're gonna do is, okay, got some problem with that one. So we're gonna change the port on that. I did something wrong. We're supposed to use port 41. I use port 01. We use port 02. Was not supposed to be designed for that. That was a mistake on my end. That's a thought you have to keep a little eyes on it. And we're gonna go back. We're gonna click in the back again, and we should be good to go now. Say keyword connection fail. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna change the somewhere to this. Alright, so we're gonna put all this together.